ever looked at your iPhone's hotspot name and thought that who would even talk of iPhone 14 Pro 2 and wanted to change your hotspot name? Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today in this video we will walk you through how step by step you can change the hotspot name on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before getting into it, if you want to change your hotspot name on your Android, the link is being attached. Moving on to iPhone now, you should know one thing, that your hotspot name is your iPhone's name. Apple doesn't allow you to change but it is super easy to change. Open settings, tap on general and then go to about. Tap on name and this is where you can clear the old name and type something personal like Sam's iPhone or something creative like Captain Wi-Fi. Tap done, and just like that your new hotspot name is live. Alright, the Wi-Fi hotspot name has now changed on iOS, but you know that you can even change the password of your hotspot, and there's how you can do it. Go back to settings and tap on personal hotspot. Next, tap on Wi-Fi password. Now just try to create a strong but simple enough password to share with friends. Avoid something like 12345. Once done, tap on save and that's it. Your hotspot is now more cool and secure. So next time when anyone is going to ask for your personal hotspot, they are no more going to see that warning name. It is now much cooler and secure. If you found over the video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and do drop the comments about your funny hotspot names, and I will see you in the next one.